Welcome to Zintilon Technology. I'm Liz, so glad to see you. Today we are going to introduce to you Zintilon Technology and the service we provide. Zintilon is a custom mechanical parts manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. We specialize in rapid prototyping and low-volume production of precision metal and plastic parts, covering automotive, aerospace, medical, communication, robotics, new energy, and other fields. Equipped with cutting-edge manufacturing technology, world-class processing equipment, and a team of highly skilled professionals, we have become a benchmark company in our industry. We are dedicated to bridging the gap between design and reality, from rapid prototyping to low-volume production. All the effort is to work out the problems during the design phase and production. We'd love to discuss with our clients and meet their needs. We are proficient in a variety of manufacturing techniques, including CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, rapid tooling, metal casting, and others. Minimum order quantity from one piece, fast quotation within 24 hours, and fastest deliver within 3 days. During the production, we adhere strictly to the ISO 9001 production management process, which enables us to deliver stable, high-quality products in the shortest possible time frame. We have a total of 22,000 square meters of machining facilities that operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to ensure efficient production. For machining accuracy, we follow the international tolerance standard ISO 2768. Tolerance of plus minus 0.005 to 0.01 millimeters and surface roughness of RA 0.4 micrometer is achievable. Our code team will confirm the tolerance we can achieve for each part during quotation. We provide one-stop surface finishing to meet your various needs, including deburring, burnish, sandblasting, polishing, fumigation, etc. Our experienced craftsmen can help you achieve the visual and functional requirements of your parts. In addition, we have integrated external suppliers networks to provide more comprehensive processes. Our surface finishing capability will beyond your expectation and achieve the final quality you desire for your product. During the production, we strictly follow the quality management system certificated by ISO 45001, ISO 50001 to ensure consistent high quality. What's more, our advanced ZEISS CMM inspection equipment are used for process checks to guarantee exceptional manufacturer quality. Every month, we complete over 500 projects and deliver more than 30,000 machine parts. These parts are shipped worldwide within a few days, while DHL, UPS, and FedEx. We also have a strategic partnership with DHL to ensure fast and smooth delivery and customer clearance. Please feel free to contact us for any metal and plastic low-volume production needs. Just upload your 2D drawings and 3D model in our website now. We will deliver high-quality parts to you within a few days. Thank you.